This is the make it or break it, guys. Look at the 4 hour. It's missing this much to break it. If it breaks that, obviously you know already, we're in it for this loss. Yeah, you see the DXY is gonna want to buy up. User is probably gonna want to sell down. 786 here. It's the ultimate retracement for me. This was today in the morning at 5, right up here, and then I take this one right now. Letting it do its thing. Now she's trying to trap a lot of people. I'm gonna just let the buyers get exhausted. This candle closes like this, bearish. You'll probably see the next candle just follow it up. We have CPI tomorrow, guys. Really, really important. I really want to know what's going to happen tomorrow with CPI. It's going to be a lot of news and stuff like that. It's going to be a lot of manipulation in the market. I feel like the markets are forward looking into it, but at the same time, I feel like we're just going to be ping-ponging in the same areas. So you could probably we're probably going to get a good setup tomorrow. I will be on before the 8:30, so we'll try to get that going. 4H candle, wick is into the body, half of that body. Now we can see some bearish momentum completely. We've seen these candles happen so many times before where I'll wick up and then just goes straight bearish. And that's exactly what I want to see here. Just a continuation of the bearish market. 4 hour now is also kind of doing this. And that's what you want to see, right? On the higher time frame. You give us something like this right here, like this candle. So you get the wick, but it went up first and then it sold off. That's probably what we're gonna get here, the sell off. 786 was that area though. You could tell, like I said, like it's probably gonna push up a little more. The reason why I said that was because of the 1 minute time frame. So now I just want to see what's gonna happen. If this comes below here, I mean that's it. You already know it's gonna take off. Failure doesn't mean that you gotta stop. It just means you failed at that one task for the moment. You learn from it. You come back, see it differently.
Yo, I always wanted to ask you, how do you determine your stop losses?
So for me, it really depends. So if it's a swing high, I'll do it a little above the wick, like right here. But sometimes I'll just put it right here and just be like, if it continues up, then that means that that's just not my trade, right? Back in the day, I used to give myself 100 points. I felt like if you give yourself 100 points, that's a huge amount now, especially when you start enhancing your trading and your skill set. You realize that you don't have to give yourself so many points. You can make it with the little you have. For instance, right here.
Got you.
At this trade and have it from here. I actually have it up here at the 400 flat because I like the 400 flat number, and I saw that it rejected the 78.6 and not the 88. So if it does come back up there, that's a problem. You know, that's not my trade anymore. After this wick, we shouldn't see that 88. If we do, then that's just not my trade. All this consolidation here, and watch the breakout to the bottom. Like all this is just to try to entice more buyers and buyers and buyers. Everyone's loading up the buys here, and you're gonna see they're just gonna short it completely. It's gonna look something like this. All this consolidation, bam, shorts, right? It's looking ugly though. This is a good thing, right? That's a good indication for the 1 hour, especially with the wick to the upside. Hopefully the next hour opens and just continues pushing down. I just really want to see what's gonna happen. All right, guys. It's 11 o'clock. Market's still pushing. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm not gonna let it go that low. Deuces. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Let this play out the way it's supposed to. If it's going to play out, I'm seeing that it already went below structure, so any little pullback up, to me, it's just to try to get more buyers, but in reality, it's going to go up again. It's going to go down.